Ross, you've given us so much to ponder. And just one last question. What's a final word of hope you would have for our churches and for youth workers who are working hard on these issues?
I mean, the fact that I think that we recognize what we need to do and the fact that we are working hard on this and that we care enough to want to figure out how to do this better, both through, through an hour and a half session last week or a 45-minute conversation now. Those always give me hope because there's always the desire to do better and to be better. And I think, as we learn more about the big breadth and diversity of God's creation, just even from a perspective of like LGBTQIA plus. I think that then we see that expansion, and we think, and we don't, oh my goodness, why is this happening? But also ask ourselves, this is amazing that people get to share more and more nuanced details about their lives and share that with us. And we're asking ourselves how we can do ministry and help people hear the gospel for themselves and by extension by the larger world. And we also have a Gen Z, and right behind them a Gen Alpha, that are eager to do this, that want to be able to do this, and they're looking at our institutions and asking, are you going to help us do this? And some aren't gonna be able to do it that well, and I think some that are thinking about this now, and then listening to what these youngest generations get passionate and get excited about, we can put a theological lens on all of that. And I think that it's exciting work, because it's going to change dramatically how we work, but I think that ultimately can be for the best for us.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.